Hi friends, this is Tamu. Welcome to my channel, The Cloud Security Guy. If you're new to this channel, I talk on a weekly basis about things like cloud security, artificial intelligence, and general cybersecurity career advice. So today I wanted to talk about, and if you're familiar with this channel, when it comes to cybersecurity career advice, I also like to tell people about how they can earn more money, in cybersecurity outside of their 9 to 5 jobs, passive income or side hustles. I always try to help people out and give them some good advice. And if you're familiar, if you've watched my earlier videos, I talk a lot about Medium. I've made a complete video on that. I'll link it here. And I talked about Medium and how you can use that to generate passive income and earn some money on the side. So today's video, I wanted to show you, I started taking Medium seriously the last couple of few months, right? I wanted to show you what my result has been. I wanted to be completely transparent and show you what have been my results with Medium, how much I've earned, and hopefully this motivates you also, right? So let me just, sorry for the new format. I've been experimenting with Loom. Loom is a really cool software. I've been using it for screen sharing and screen recording. I wanted to check it out. So without much, let's go to my profile here, and I'll go to stats. Yeah, and let's see what my stats have been. So what happened was October was, like I said, I wanted to talk about October because that is the month which I've been working on the most in Medium. You can see it was a good, overall I got 1,000 views, and I got 5,000 views, actually more than 5,000 views this month. After that, it started averaging 900, 600, 400, 500. Usually I would say 500 is my 400 to 600, between that has been the number, which is okay. And these are a lot. I wrote a lot of articles. You can see these are all my articles I wrote in October, and that really I got a good engagement with that. So let's look at the audiences. What happened with the audiences? So by writing consistently in October, what happened? What happened was, you can see here, I got a lot of followers. I got around 282 followers. Around 300 people started following me. I got 45 email subscribers in total. Most awesomely, you can see here the referred members. These are people who sign up for Medium and you start paying Medium because through your articles. So they went to my article and they signed up for Medium because of me. So because of that, now monthly I'm getting around $20, which is pretty cool. I'm not doing anything, but I'm getting this. Hopefully, if you keep writing, I'll get more. Let's see. I'll keep sharing these details every couple of months or so. But this is basically, as a cybersecurity writer, I just wanted to show. And now let's go to the most important part, which is the partner program earnings. So I wanted to show you how you can earn money on Medium with this. So I wanted to, I said October. October has already been done. So this is the my status. I already told you I got around $90. Apart from that, a few of my articles have been really good, did really good. You saw I earned around $92, right? With one article. This is one article, huh? This is passive income and cybersecurity. Like I said, I like to talk about this topic, right? I wrote 2 articles on this, and combined, you can see they earned me around $92 and $50, right? That's pretty cool, honestly speaking, around 140. You can say so. And very right on Medium is really good for technology articles, and they like passive income also, how to make money. People come to Medium to read that. So if you're able to combine the two like I did, you can earn a lot of money. You don't have to copy me. You can write your own things, but just these are the technology is very hot, and making passive income, side hustles, whatever you have, you can write, and try to write it in a natural way. Don't write like a robot. Nobody wants to. People want to see what was the unique experience you bought, right? So these are all the articles I wrote. You can see the averaging. I'm averaging $3 and all that, but I wrote a lot. So in total, how much was I able to earn? You can see, which is pretty cool. I was able to earn around $300, right? $313. So $294 for my articles and $19 for my referred subscription. So in total, it came to around $300, which is pretty cool considering this is all passive income. Remember what I told you before, right? This is all passive income. This is not something I'm active. Once I wrote an article, I can go to sleep and that article will keep on earning me money, right? So that's the main thing about it. So just to prove this to you, let's go to November. November is just started. Today is November 4th, right? And still, already this has earned me around $6, $4. You can see $1. So it's already started. So that's the best thing about Medium. So definitely, I'll put the link for my course there and my previous video. Go do it and check it out, so you'll get a better idea. A lot of people have reached out to me and they've said that Medium is not available in their country. They're from India, Pakistan, because it accepts Stripe payments, and that is not present in their location. Even if you don't have that, guys, please, still I would recommend you to create a Medium profile and start working on it. Why? There's a very good reason for that. I'll tell you why. Because like I said, Medium is very powerful in this regard, right? You can create your own branding there. And once Medium is available in your home country and they turn it on, you will already have those followers, right? You just need 100 followers to get enrolled into the Medium partner program. And even if you're not getting paid now, when they turn it on, you will already have all those followers available. You just need to turn on your monetization for your articles and you can start earning money. So please don't get disheartened. And okay, another suggestion I would give you, if you have courses, like I've told you how to create courses on Udemy and all those other things, right? You can actually use Medium, even if you don't have monetization, you can use Medium to send traffic to all your other courses, send traffic to your YouTube channel, send traffic like across the board, because Medium is a very, very powerful tool in this regard. So definitely I would recommend you to start writing. Writing is a very powerful way to share your knowledge with the world, to build your own brand. You can use Medium, like I said, to directly earn money. If you cannot do that, you can use Medium to send traffic to your products, to your YouTube channel if you have it. And lastly, you can create your own brand there, right? You can use it to put it on your CV, put it on your LinkedIn. Okay, you can create a profile on Fiverr. I'm going to create a video on that later on as a cybersecurity writer, and you can put samples of your Medium articles if people have engaged with it. So there are many, many ways of doing it, but start it. That's what I would recommend. Do not delay it. Start it, start writing, and see how far you can go. So thank you guys. I hope this was useful to you, and I've tried to be as transparent as possible of how much I've been able to do on Medium. I'm going to be sharing you more reports as it go on. But thank you very much, and I'll see you in the next video.